Hi, I'm Makuzeni. I'm a vocalist, trombone player, composer, arranger, producer. See, just in terms of the background of it, I've been using pedals for, I'd say, well over 10 years now. And the idea behind it was that I basically wanted to try and embellish my voice. So I think as a result, it's not only really helped me with that, but it's also actually helped shape and form my compositional voice. I think I use my pedal in such a way where it's gotten to a point where it's part and parcel of what I'm trying to actually achieve. I started on trombone, interestingly enough, and then I went over to voice. What I've found completely interesting is how they actually really complement each other. So when I did vocals, when I started off on vocals and having a jazz trombone background, it was very jazz nuanced, and I picked up jazz vocals, but eventually it kind of went left of center.